It is an Indo-Islamic architecture because the queen was Hindu and the king was Muslim. The entire temple will illuminate in a golden glow. How amazing is that?
And drink lot of masala chas or buttermilk, which I did not get today. Hi guys, welcome back to Unfiltered Stories, and today we are going to explore some nice places around Ahmedabad, which is around within 100 kilometers from Ahmedabad, but it's a must visit place and some iconic place which is present in our Indian currency. And we are supposed to leave at 7 o'clock, 7 am that is, but it is 8 am now. Our madam is still getting ready, so we are late already, so I don't know. Shall we go, madam? Please, let's go. So guys, this thing you can see here is actually a bus station of Citylinks bus. It's there in Surat as well as in Ahmedabad, and those buses goes in this lane, and normal buses goes in which lane I am right now, and those buses goes in this lane, and the bus station is on the center, not on the side of the road. So today we'll be covering around 300 kilometers. For that reason, we have rented this Royal Enfield Himalayan from Royal Brothers. So that's a online site, or you can have the app also. It costs us around 1,600 rupees. After 2 hours of ride, we made it to Modara Sun Temple.
The first word comes to my mind after seeing this structure is magnificent. I just can't imagine that I'm sitting right here in front of this beautiful architecture which I used to see in my textbooks, history textbooks. Literally, each of these carvings are just beautiful.
There is kind of a step well, and the water is in the middle, and there is 108 shrines, basically a small temples made up of rock, and it's entirely carved out of rocks.
So some facts about this temple is that during every equinox, when the first ray of sunlight falls on the diamond of the sun god, the entire temple will illuminate in a golden glow. How amazing is that? So inside this you can see 52 pillars which will depict the 52 weeks of the year.
The Sun Temple was something, and now we are on the way to Rani Ki Vav. It's around 36 kilometers from here, and the weather is very hot, guys. Very hot. Not a pleasant ride, I must tell you, but it's very hot. Somehow we are managing. So let's go there and check it out how the Rani Ki Vav is.
Have you seen this? So this is Rani Ki Vav, an iconic architecture structure that is displayed in our 100 rupees currency, and today we are here. So this is basically a stepwell which is built by a queen in a memory of a late king. So there are total of 7 floors, and the last floor had water, and it is also said that in the last floor there is a tunnel of 30 meter which will join Siddhpur. So every ancient Indian structure has some mysterious secret associated with it.
So it's fascinating to see these structures, the seventh floor, deep, and as you come down the floors it gets cooler and cooler. And you must be wondering how this is built, without any interlocking system, just by stones. But there is an interlocking system which Indians or any where in the world you can see these kind of structures and interlocking systems. That is this system. So they used to carve this shape in the stone when they used to join two stones, and they used to pour hot iron over it, so that it locks itself, so that they can join two stones together and keep on building. This place is called Adalaj step well, and it is sun is going down, and it is quite peaceful, and it's not that hot now.
So the facts about Adalaj stepwell is it is an Indo-Islamic architecture because the queen was Hindu and the king was Muslim. Apart from that, it is a 5-story building and the water is situated in the lowermost floor. So basically they used to build this kind of architecture around Rajasthan, Gujarat for drinking purpose, washing purpose. This water was used for multiple purpose. Also travelers used to use this water for drinking when they travel from different villages and come over here.
So we spent very less today. The fuel charges were 1,000 rupees. I have put fuel for Himalayan. So the entry fees for Sun Temple was 20 rupees. The Ranika Vav is 35 rupees, and this was 25 rupees, and around 400 rupees for our food. And it's very hot here. So if you're coming here, carry like lot of water and drink lot of masala chas or buttermilk, which I did not get today.
So the closing time is 6 o'clock and it is exactly 6 now, so they'll be closing it, so we have to rush from here. So guys, if you watched our video till here, please consider subscribing to our channel. We'll bring more exciting contents like this.
And in the next video, we'll probably going to a launch, not the airport launch, but railway launch, which is something new for us also. You've never been to railway launch. It's not that railway launch where is a waiting room. It's not that. It's something extra. So we'll explore and let you guys know how you can use railway launch for free.